Central Louisiana Tornado Watch, 9:27 p.m. March the 28th. Salt Parish, Jena. That's where the little blue dot is. Very strong straight line wind. It's probably 70 miles an hour. Again, there's a tornado watch. Probably this area down in here at the bottom where those discrete supercells are. So we're going to go lightning on here. Probably not much else, but maybe we'll get some good strikes. Ooh, look at that lightning. That baby's rolling in. Tornado watch. Oh, I know. We're in Walmart here in Jena, getting some beer. Yep, there's the severity. Look at that out there. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that, man. Woo! That lightning. That's like hurricane. Oh my God, look at it. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I told you it was a high wind, look at that.
This direction you can get the speed of it.
Yeah, it's like that right there. Look.
Where are we at now?
It's hurricane. Jena, Louisiana, Walmart.
Louisiana, Walmart. Look at that. Oh man.
I'm sorry, anyway.
You can get the car out. I think I'll
Yeah.
You heard him, bitch. You said I'll go get the car.
Yeah, and it is. Wow, I didn't expect it. They always talk about it. We never. They are soft. Oh my Lord. And tornado watch, but there isn't any. That's not what this is. That is like a hurricane. Wow.
That's the fun part. Watch how I run. It's actually raining.
Yeah, well, because we're standing. Huh? Oh man. That's the one thing that scares me most. You would know it. She doesn't like that lightning. She doesn't like that lightning. Oh, I'm moving back. Oh. I'll do it.
I'll do it. It don't matter.
Let me see. Running in the rain.
You ready, Rich?
Thanks.
Let's do it.
Let's run my phone.
Let's do it. No, put it.
Let's go. Come on.
Go.